So sabi ni DJ, Ground Zero, negative po ang recent events sa Philhealth and Pag-IBIG. It is under the government as well. Safe pa rin po ba ang Pag-IBIG MP2 investment? And is it insured? Of course, sinasabi ng iba, di ba, na zero risk pagdating sa mga government investments. Not just Pag-IBIG and let's say Philhealth, pati yung mga government bonds, no, sinasabi kasi it is backed by the government. But of course, that is just on an oversimplified assumption. There's always risk kahit saan ka mag-invest, di ba? Because even the government, they might do they might mismanage the funds and then lose yung money mo. So the question here, I think the proper question here is yung risk ba na meron pagdating sa Pag-IBIG MP2 is something that you can accept. Okay? So nobody can unless you're working for the Pag-IBIG fund, nobody can really tell if it is really safe sa kung safe pa rin ba yung Pag-IBIG MP2 investment mo, di ba? So the question that you have to ask yourself is, ano ba yung mga possible scenarios? Ba? Ano ba yung mga options? Ano ba yung mga levels of risk nitong mga scenarios na to? And am I willing to take on that risk? Okay? So, of course, isa sa mga worst case scenario is mag-declare si Pag-IBIG Fund ng bankruptcy. So, tapos sinabi ni Philippine government na di-dissolve na namin siya. Yung mga nag-invest sa MP2, sorry na lang, di ba? Hindi siya insured, or sasabihin ng government is, hintayin nyo na lang, after 3 years, ibabalik na namin yung capital ninyo, etc. So, are you okay with that? So, kung okay ka doon sa risk na yon, then you can go ahead and confidently invest more sa Pag-IBIG MP2. Now, if that is not something that you're comfortable with, then probably you should hold off muna dun sa pag-i-invest sa Pag-IBIG MP2. You wait for their declaration of their dividends for this year or for this quarter. Tingnan mo kung merong mga upcoming na mga news about the company. So sabihin na natin na nagbigay sila bigla ng 7% for this quarter, and then may mga news na sinasabi na healthy naman daw yung Pag-IBIG MP2, it's still a safe place to invest in, then mas mataas ngayon yung confidence mo. Yung worst case scenario mo, the probability of that happening lowers down. So again, ang tanong mo sa sarili mo is, are you comfortable with that risk given na may mga bagong data na okay naman pala siya? So if you're now okay with it, then you can now start to invest again. So, ganun lang yung sa akin. Again, there are things that we cannot control, like yung mga government and other companies, kung paano nila hinahandle yung funds natin or yung mga investments nila. So, ang sa atin, the best that we can do is to analyze yung mga possible scenarios, pick which ones are acceptable sa atin, yung nature of risk, and then we proceed according to those knowledge. Okay? So, I hope malinaw yung sagot ko, Ground Zero. Okay?